हाय फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं बात करने वाला हूँ एक ऐसे गैजेट की जो एक फैशन स्टेटमेंट बन गया है, एक स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट बन गया है एंड फिटनेस ट्रैकिंग एंड एवरीथिंग। सो आप लोग समझ ही गए होंगे, इट्स अबाउट स्मार्ट वॉच। सो आज मैं अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाला हूँ that is coming from the company called Noise and it is named as ColorFit Ultra 2. Let's start the unboxing. So this is the first packaging and we'll keep it aside. Here comes the smartwatch. Let's open it up. Take our packaging. So here we have the charger. Probably it will be a charger only. We'll just check. Here's the smartwatch. I'll just show it to you. This is the case to keep the smartwatch, and inside of this box there's nothing. Keep it aside. Inside this box there are some documents. मुझे लगता है ये manuals होंगे. Yes, this is the warranty card and this is the manual. इसको साइड में रखते हैं. There is something more. There are some stickers. So keeping everything aside, let's see what's this. Yes, you can see that this is the charger and this is the watch. Let me unstrap it. So this is ColorFit Ultra 2 from Noise. इसकी कवर को हटाते हैं and you can see. So the specifications मैं बता देता हूँ इसकी. This is AMOLED display and the screen size is 1.78 inch. There are more than 60 plus sports mode in it. You can put your call in D&D. There are multiple features in it. ये फ़ोन से कनेक्ट होता है via Bluetooth and it is compatible with both Android as well as iOS. But the condition is the Android version should be 10.0, more than 10.0. Apart from that, by mode में the company claims that it can go up to 21 days and in regular mode it can go up to 7 days. The battery and the pixel density is 368 into 448 pixels. So the PPI is 326 PPI, and to full charge the battery it takes around 2 hours as a company कहती है, and the battery power is 180 mAh. So I'll start using this and I'll put a detailed review of this my next video. So stay tuned. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up, and you can put any comments if you want to know anything about this product.